In this video, we are going to learn how to install a plugin in WordPress website. So before starting, let's understand what a plugin really is. So a plugin is a software that is used to add new features to your WordPress website or extend its existing functionalities. In this video, we are going to look at two most popular ways of installing a plugin on your WordPress website. So the first method of installing a WordPress plugin is through your WordPress dashboard via the official WordPress plugin repository. To install a plugin, first log into your WordPress dashboard. Then find the plugin options from the left side menu and click on it. You can see we have a plugin over here that says Akismet Anti-Spam Spam Protection. So this is a plugin that has been added by default. Sometimes when you purchase your WordPress hosting, you might find different plugins pre-installed in your WordPress website. You can see there are two options over here that says Activate and Delete. Activate, which means this plugin is still deactivated. We have to click on it to activate it, or we can delete it if we want. A deactivated plugin means it's installed on your site but not active, so that its additional functionalities are not available for you to use on the site. So how can you install a plugin? To do that, we can either click over here or we can click on this button over here. We're going to click on this Add New button over here. Now it's bringing me to the WordPress plugin directory. From here you can browse through all the plugins that are available. You can see there's the classic editor, and this is the plugin that we just saw, and there are many more plugins. You can also search for your favorite plugin. Just search for your plugin over here and it will appear. If you don't know the name of your plugin, you can simply type what you want to do. For example, if I want to build a form, I'm going to simply type form over here. As you can see, it's bringing me all the form building plugins, which is Contact Form 7, WP Forms, Forminator, and many more plugins. But if you know the name of your plugin, you can simply type it over here. So I'm going to search for a plugin called PostX. As you can see, according to what I've searched, it brought me the PostX plugin. So before installing a plugin, there are a couple of things that you should notice. So let me explain this one by one. So here is the title of the plugin, which is PostX Gutenberg Post Grid Blocks. So here's the description of the plugin. And down here you can see it's written by WP Expo. That means WP Expo is the developer of this plugin. Down here you can see the ratings of the plugin, and here you can see the number of active installations. And the next point, which is very important, which is the compatibility. You can see it says compatible with your version of WordPress. Okay, this means that this plugin is compatible with our current version of WordPress. If you see a plugin which isn't compatible with your current version of WordPress, then it might be better looking for another plugin. Here you can see the last updated. You can see the plugin was last updated 6 days ago, which is a good sign. That means the plugin is updated frequently. Now, to install a plugin, you can click on this Install Now button, or you can click on this More Details button to view more details. So if we click over here, now you can see the description of the plugin. You can see the description, you can see the version, you can see the author, last updated. So many more informations are over here. You can also check out the comments, reviews, everything. If you click on installation, you can see there's a guide which instructs you how you can install the plugin. These are the minimum requirements. This is the automatic installation. There's the manual installation and all that good stuff. Okay, so we can install our plugin from here as well, but we're going to close this and click on the Install Now button over here. So while it's being installed, let me tell you what PostX plugin actually is. So you can see it's said that it's Gutenberg Post Grid Blocks. Okay, so this plugin is basically used to create news, magazine, and blogs. Okay, so you can create really beautiful magazine, news, blogs style website using PostX. Okay, as you can see, the plugin has already been installed, but it's not activated. You can see the Install Now button here now says Activate. So if we click on Activate, the plugin will be activated. So let's go ahead and activate our plugin. Okay, so our plugin has been activated and it directly takes us to a welcome screen or a setup wizard. PostX is a very advanced plugin, and plugins such as this one comes with their own unique setup wizards and other functionalities. Okay, so you can go through this setup wizard. It's basically introducing you to what PostX is, how you can start building with it. So this is a very user-friendly plugin. So we're going to click on the button Next. It's showing us the different blocks it introduced to our Gutenberg. We're going to click on Next. And it's showing us different add-ons we're getting. This is another important point. We can say sometimes plugins comes with their own set of add-ons. Add-ons are like micro plugins. These actually increases the features and functionalities of the existing plugin. Sometimes an add-on can be a separate plugin on its own. So currently with the free version, we're getting only 4. So let's click on Next. And now it's telling us to install the Pro version. With the Pro version, we'll get 29 plus starter packs, 170 plus patterns, 40 plus pre-made templates, and much more. Okay, so we're okay with the free version. We're going to click on Next. And this is the final step. Here you can decide to share some non-sensitive diagnostic data back to WP Expo so that they can make this plugin better, or you can click on No Thanks if you are not interested. Okay, so we are done. Now we're going to click on this button and we are ready. So this is how you can install a plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. So the second method through which you can install a plugin is by uploading a compressed or a zip file. Okay, so sometimes if you purchase a premium plugin, you're not going to get it through the WordPress dashboard. Rather, you will find it from the website that you have purchased it from. In that case, what you have to do is download your premium plugin and upload it from your WordPress dashboard. So we're going to show you how you can do that. First, hover your mouse over Plugins and click on Add New. From here, you can see a button over here saying Upload Plugin. We're going to click on it. And from here, you can see it's instructing us if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So we're going to click on Choose File. And we have uploaded our file over here. Now we can click on the Install button to install the plugin. So we have installed the PostX Pro. After it's installed, we can click on the Activate Plugin button to activate this plugin. Some plugins, such as the PostX Pro, requires the free version activated in order for it to function properly. And now it's taking us to the license page. So if you purchase a premium plugin, you will be given a license key. So make sure you have the license key, paste in your license key, and click on Check and Save to activate your Pro plugin. Okay, so I have activated my license. So that is how you can install a plugin by uploading the zip file. So that is how you can install a plugin on your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Share this video and subscribe to our channel because it only encourages us to make more helpful videos like this one. Till the next video, take care.